So today we got my mate Jody's GT3 RS that he got about 8 weeks ago. We've already done the seat centres and he went for this turbo tartan, Blackwatch tartan I think it's called, heritage Porsche cloth, and he went for the green to match his green stitching that he's got throughout the rest of the car. I installed them on the first day he got it, and then 2 days later he took it to Europe and he's done like 3,000 miles on it already. It's now in to have the door inserts changed so they match the seat inserts. First off, we're going to take the door off and film the process, make it pretty. This is an ultrasonic welder. You'll see when we do these doors, we've got to do some plastic welding. That is the head of it, and what we'll do is we'll remelt the plastic rivets back on. But first off, we need to get the door off. But I thought I'd just get everything out ready. Make sure we got the space. I need to get a few bits in, because we're doing this area here, so all these little plastic welds, I'm going to chip them off but reuse them and melt them back on. And there's a bolt there, there's a bolt there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll get all the bolts out first, then start chipping away. So it seems a bit brutal, but it's the only way of getting it off. Yeah. This is the fiddly bit now. You got to sort of fiddle it over because I can't explain it really. There's a peg there and this has a hole and it's hooked over. So I need to try and... I've picked up the blunt-ish scissors here. They're not very good. I'm going to cut the other side as well, just so it's all fresh in my head. My pencil. Golly. I think we'll have tea break and I'm going to put that back in. Like I can see, if I point at it, this is lower than this threshold, so I need to, I need to push it up, make sure it's clear. There might be some debris, but see it goes, yeah? So we know that's fully home now. Put that on there.
Smells interesting.
Melting plastic. I bought this from China. I didn't know if it was going to come, you know, or if when it arrives and it's just a box of tissues, I don't know.
Yeah.
But it come and then it didn't work and I was like, no! And I was doing it wrong. Yeah, the instruction, and if they do, it's pigeon English. You just don't, you just don't understand it. Right, Jody's got a rattle on that door, but I'm just gonna. Don't know, do you? It might not be that, but it won't harm. Stop there. Yeah, check something. Yeah, just need a little. The rubber's just not sitting quite right down there. It should be the right side of it. And that's perfect now. Give it another little clean. I'm a wild one.